Welcome back to Giggles with Gargi. Today we're celebrating a historic milestone, 250 years of American independence. From exciting family activities to the breathtaking fireworks lighting up the Rochester Hills sky, this event was full of energy, patriotism, and unforgettable memories. Stay with us till the end to experience this amazing celebration. Today we're at the amazing Independence Day celebration in Rochester Hills, Michigan. This year is extra special because America is celebrating 250 years of freedom since 1776. Families from all around gathered to enjoy live entertainment, delicious food, fun activities for kids, and the spectacular fireworks show. The atmosphere was filled with excitement, pride, and community spirit. America celebrates 250 years of freedom. Tonight, the sky over Rochester Hills lights up with spectacular fireworks